Shut up and sit down.
Hello folks, Colin here, Festa 67's workshop. Welcome to issue 90 of Build the Iconic Ford Falcon XB GT, the madmax car, from our good old friends over at Hachette. Now, you want to grab this for yourself and build this 1/8 scale model with me? Pop over to their website. There's a clickable link in the description below. And you too can be building one of these. So let's have a quick look through this week's magazine and see what we are up to. Right, we have got the first bit of bodywork, folks. We have got the support brackets and front bumper skirt that have arrived today. Look at that. Oh, doesn't it look nice? This is where it's going on our Falcons, folks, right down there. It says here, position the brackets on one side of the bumper skirt so that it's got the recessed screw holes in the shorter arm of the bracket. Couple of DS2 screws going in to put it in place. Same with the other side there. And then this is what we're going to end up with as our completed assembly, folks, ready to mount on the chassis at a later stage. You then got art in motion there. The Bugatti Type 35 was an engineering marvel built by a genius whose love of avant-garde mechanical innovation had been nurtured in a family steeped in artistic endeavour. Beautiful looking car. Nice one. Little bit of blurb there on it. The big old engine there. So that's the magazine done. So what we'll do is we'll put this to one side and we'll start the little bit of assembly we got to do today, folks, okay? Right, so we've got this in situ like so, okay? Got it down on my cloth just to protect it, folks, is what I want. And we're going down in these two little mounting pegs just there, okay, with the brackets. So that's what we're going to be up to today. Let's grab the first one of those bad boys, like that. And we want it with the fat edge facing away from us, okay? So let's grab the first screw. Drop a bit of oil on you. Right, let's put that in with the fat end facing away from us. And then what we'll do is we'll put these screws in. Loose at first until the second one goes in, just so that we can line the bracket up if it's skewed. And then we can come back and we can fully tighten them home. So that's that one in. And that's that one in. Sorted. Again, just go around, double check that you're fully tight, which we are. And then we can come back and do this one. So again, let's grab the screws. Put a bit of oil on the first one, or we'll cut the threads. Just to get the paint off the inside, that's all we want to do. There you go. That's the first thread cut. And then cut the second one again. Cool. Then we can come back and mount the bracket now. Same process as before. Then we can grab the second one, plenty of oil. And then that'll be that. All sorted. Let's do that. Bracket there. Here you go. I can bring it up now. Like so. There you go. And that's them brackets in place now. And what that gives us is that gives us a nice sexy bit of front grillage, folks. Look at that. Oh, nice to see the bodywork start coming together, isn't it? Just get me oily fingerprints off of there. Don't want them on there, do we? And there you go, folks. So that's that issue done. Don't forget, if you want to grab one of these for yourself and build one of these along with me, folks, head over to the Hachette website. There's a clickable link in the description below. You too can be building this. Also, to help me out, if you can remember to like, share, hype and subscribe to the channel and the video. Helps me immensely, keeps the channel alive and the content coming. I'm immensely grateful for all of you that do it. Subscribing is free, folks, costs you nothing. In the meantime, thanks so much for coming in and keeping me company. I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Until then, stay safe and well. Goodbye for now.